and in this video we're going to be doing a manicure with these Modelones Color Cube Gel Polish Palettes. And we're gonna do some nails with it, and I want the nails to be like brown. Let's do it. These palettes are available on Amazon, and I will link them down in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. First of all, the box that the palette comes in is really nice. It has an outer sleeve. There's some nice attention to detail. The palette itself is gray. You get directions on how to apply it, and you get a brush to apply the gel. I really like the fact that they covered the gel with this like sticker thing. And here's what the colors look like. I think they look beautiful. I really like the burgundy of this palette. This one has some nice pinks in it. Now that we've unboxed them, why don't we do some nail art, get some ideas, then I'll do that brown manicure I was talking about. Alright, why don't we start off with that black color. I saw a video on Instagram where they did this rose design on a black nail, and they did it in such a way so where it kind of looked like a blooming rose, and I wanted to try to recreate it. So using the gels in these palettes, I'm going to go ahead and grab a pink and make an outline of a rose. Then I'm going to kind of blur those lines just a little bit. Then I'm going to take a lighter color that I had on hand and add a few more lines, or should we say petals. Then I'm going to cure that. Then I'm going to take this lovely red and I'm going to mix it with some top coat, but honestly I don't even know if I had to do this, but I did it anyways. I'm not sure how they did it, but I went ahead and mixed it with the red, and then I applied it over the nail. I think I need to practice this one a little bit more, but the rose is definitely beautiful, and you know me, I had to recreate this one. It was a rose, and I'm Vanna Rose. To make a marble design, I went ahead and took a blob of that burgundy color and I put it on the nail, kind of just plopped it on there. Then I took the lighter one, plopped it on there. Then I added the dark burgundy color. Then I went ahead and just mixed them on the nail. Now since this is gel, you can just blend it together until it's the way that you want it to look, and then you just cure it in the lamp. After I cured that in the lamp, I went ahead and added the glittery light pink they have in this palette, just to give it a little sparkle. I like how this turned out. It's like a burgundy marble design. I wanted to take the blue out of this palette and make a design because it is a beautiful color. It has a blue shimmer running throughout. I applied 2 coats of it to the nail. Then I'm going to take this cream purple and I'm just going to paint some faint lines going vertical. Then I'm going to cure that in the lamp, and I wanted to add a rhinestone to the top for some bling bling. After I cured it in the lamp, I added some glossy top coat. Then after I cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds, I'm going to add matte top coat. I like to add glossy top coat first because it nicely evens out the nail before I go in with the matte top coat. I like how this design turned out. Alright, going back to that brown manicure I mentioned earlier, Slap is going to help me by holding my press-on nails for me. She has time because she is not stunt doubling for thing. I'm going to take that rich red color from the palette and paint it on the index finger and on the ring finger. I really like how this red looks, red shimmer running throughout it, and it's just beautiful. Before I go in with a different color, I clean my brush off with some rubbing alcohol. One thing to note about using gel palettes is when you go to grab the color, don't just grab the very top of the color because it's just not going to be enough to apply to your nail. So kind of grab a little blob of it. If you use longer brush strokes going from the top to the bottom of the nail, you notice it's easier to apply. Since I'm more used to using the brush that comes with gel polish bottles, it was a little bit of a learning curve, but by the 5th nail I got the hang of it. So I'm going to take the brown of this collection and I'm going to apply it to the pinky and to the middle finger. After I cure that, I'm going to go ahead and grab that bronzy color and add it to the bottom of the middle nail and the pinky. And I'm going to concentrate more of the gel towards the bottom, so I want it to be a little bit more of a gradient. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the brown and concentrate that towards the top of the nail, and then I'm just going to blend it a little bit. So I went ahead and cured it when I was satisfied with the design. That's one good thing about gel, is that you can pretty much decide when you're done. Then I went ahead and added the bronzy color to the thumb. These colors are absolutely beautiful and perfect for fall. And after I cured my nails in the lamp for 60 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and add a glossy top coat, turn them over, let that gel even out, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. All in all, I think these palettes are really cute. If you like collecting makeup palettes, you want to kind of transfer that over to nails, that's what these remind me of. My favorite one out of the 3 they gave me is probably Rich Girl Retro one. I like the green and the red where they put in this one, but I'll link these down in the description box down below. They are available on Amazon. And for our journey to continue, please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next. Bye.